Hey guys, tonight we're going to be talking about basically whether or not your air conditioning company, at least here in the US, has your best interest in mind. What brings this topic to discussion is a Michigan court case, an antitrust class action lawsuit filed against almost every American company for colluding to raise prices post-COVID, at least immediately right after. And it just brings a topic to mind that I've been screaming a lot about lately, and that's whether or not these companies really have our best interests in mind to begin with. And I'll say that, for example, this high SEER rating that we've been touting for all these years, at least the last 15, and charging a lot of money for, well, they don't even really tell you what the SEER rating actually means. It only covers a 5-month cooling span. So if your heat pump doesn't do well when it's cold and it needs heat strips and starts pulling 60, 80 amps, yeah, well, that's not covered in your SEER rating. But they don't tell you that. Let's talk about it.